DEF is part of the solution to the problem of NOx abatement. Nitrogen dioxide, or NOx, is a gas in the exhaust of diesel trucks and off-road equipment. Because NOx pollution is linked to serious respiratory problems, the EPA has been decreasing limits on NOx output since 1994. To meet the 2010 limits, a different approach was required. Today, manufacturers agree that the most effective technology to reduce NOx is selective catalytic reduction, or SCR. Starting in 2010, most newly manufactured trucks use SCR and DEF. SCR is an after-treatment technology that is part of the exhaust system. By treating the NOx in the exhaust system instead of in the engine itself, the engine can operate at peak efficiency. So, SCR not only cuts NOx emissions, but also improves fuel economy. The SCR system has four main components: the DEF tank, the particulate filter, the DEF injection system, and the SCR catalyst. The exhaust leaves the engine and enters the particulate filter, where carbon particles, or soot, are captured. As the exhaust leaves the filter, a mist of diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF, is sprayed into the hot exhaust stream, where it turns into ammonia. Together, the NOx and ammonia pass through the SCR catalyst, where they react chemically and transform into harmless water vapor and nitrogen. Nitrogen is actually the most common element in the air we breathe. The SCR system reduces NOx emissions to almost zero. For the SCR system to work, it needs diesel exhaust fluid. The BlueDEF brand is a high-quality blend of 32.5% urea and deionized water. For the SCR system to operate properly, all diesel exhaust fluid must meet an exacting standard which is published by the International Organization for Standardization, or ISO. The ISO standard for DEF is ISO 22241, which ensures the purity and composition of DEF. Quality DEF manufacturers are also certified by the American Petroleum Institute, or API. BlueDEF meets the standards of both of these organizations, and every single batch of BlueDEF is tested by an outside lab to ensure the highest quality product. BlueDEF is stable, colorless, and odorless. It is safe if it touches skin or clothing. Some non-recommended metals can react with BlueDEF, so it needs to be stored, transported, and delivered using dedicated, specialized equipment, hoses, and pumps to maintain its purity. It also means that it should not be added to the diesel fuel tank, where it can cause serious damage to the engine. DEF is not a fuel additive. And if it's accidentally added to the fuel tank, the engine should not be started, and the customer should call their truck dealer for service immediately. If DEF is spilled or splashed, just wipe it up with water and paper towels or rags. Dried DEF forms as white crystals that look like frost. These crystals can be wiped up with water. No other fluid or product should be added to the DEF tank. The opening of the DEF tank is designed to make it nearly impossible to add diesel fuel accidentally. DEF freezes at 12 degrees Fahrenheit, but having DEF freeze in your truck will not damage the truck or the SCR system. The truck's heating system will melt frozen DEF, so operating a vehicle with frozen DEF is completely safe. Pickup trucks add 3 to 5 gallons of DEF at oil change intervals, approximately every 7,500 miles. Heavy-duty diesel engines use about 2 to 3% DEF compared to diesel fuel consumption, depending on the engine load. That means a 23-gallon tank of DEF is good for about 7,000 miles, allowing a truck to cross the U.S. and return home before needing to refuel the DEF tank. The purity of DEF is the critical reason for choosing a diesel exhaust fluid supplier, and Peak Commercial and Industrial is dedicated to delivering the highest quality DEF solution. For those with small SCR-equipped vehicles, BlueDEF is available in 1 and 2.5 gallon containers. Peak Commercial and Industrial also offers all the equipment that is needed to deliver and distribute BlueDEF and maintain ISO's 22241 purity standard. The equipment offering includes a piston hand pump for BlueDEF drums, a low-cost, easy-to-use dispensing system designed for low-volume applications, electric pump dispensing systems that work on both BlueDEF drums and totes, including hoses, mounting bracket, and choice of a plastic nozzle or automatic shutoff stainless steel nozzle, accessories like inline flow meters, and insulated heat blankets for totes. even special application systems, like a mobile drum cart dispensing system or a pickup truck tank system with 12-volt portable self-priming pump. Peak Commercial and Industrial also has larger bulk tank systems for both indoor and outdoor use.